recording gets started. Hope so. Start recording time. Okay, am I audible? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, can I have Sharwani? Sorry, Shravani. Sorry for that. Shravani, can you come online? Can you
Sir.
can you unmute? Sorry,
Yes,
Shravani,
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, done. Fine. Okay, we will start. So let me share the camera and where to share. Let me share this. Where is my camera? The camera is here. Was you can able to see that white sheet, no? Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we will also, let me also share the PDF, the problem one. The problem, what I have given as like assignment was this. Okay, let me just make these two half page each. Sorry. This is visible, no, Shravani?
Yes, sir.
Both the problem as well as the camera thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, which is the problem you are looking at? We were looking at problem number 20. Let me just
6.4.
6.42. Let me just increase this. 6 point. Which one? 6 point?
4, 4.
6.4444. Okay, this one. Okay, 6.44, 6.45, and one more problem, no? 6.47.
Yes, sir.
Am I correct? How many of you
Yes.
could able to do it? Just okay. Type it in your chat box. How many could able to get a current of? I think 0.98 milliampere is the current. How many? How many of you could able to get this value of ID is equal to 0.98 milliampere? This is the expected answer. How many of you got it? Okay, I can see. Okay, let us see. Okay. Okay, 1 2 3 4 4 4 4. Okay, 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 we'll see. Okay, it's not a big thing. Okay, all of you, oh, of course, how many number of students are you are there, so all of you can able to easily solve this. Okay, it is 6.47, no, Shravani?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me make sure that all these things are minimized so that I can able to. Okay, what is that 6.47 says is, so 6.47, what is the corresponding problem of that? Okay, let me just take out this. Okay, read 29, Shravani. Read question number 29.
Assuming,
Hmm?
uh, assuming W by L to 10 by 0.18,
Hmm?
lambda is equal to
0.
0.1, but you said
0.
0, sir.
Correct.
And VDD is equal to 1.8 volt. Calculate the drain current of VM1 in figure 6.47.
Okay, 6.47. Okay, now the values, uh, the default values are Kp is equal to how much?
200
Hmm. Microampere per volt square.
microampere per volt square.
Vth is equal to 0.4 volt. Correct.
Oh, four. Yes,
These
sir.
are all the common values for any problem. Correct. If at all, if it is
Yes, sir.
not specified, you have to take this. If they specify something, you have to change that. Otherwise, it is this is the value for all the problems. Done. Now,
Yes.
what else is given? W by L is given as 10 by
10 by
0.18.
0.
Of course, VDD is given as 1.8. Lambda at this point of time we don't know what is that. Okay, let us not take that. And 6.47. Let us go to that circuit. This is the circuit, no? 6.47. So let me write the
Yes, sir.
circuit. We are asked to find what is the value of drain current. Correct.
Yes, sir.
This is the circuit. Okay, you can see whenever there is a connection, you have a dot here. Correct. Can you see there is a dot here. See here, this indicates that there is a connection. There is a connection. Wherever there is a connection, there will be a dot. If there is no connection, the dot will not be there. Can you make out this dot, Shravani?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Let
sir.
me
Yes, sir.
just make this 125. Okay, this dot is very important. Even when we actually do the simulation LT spice, when we make a connection, maybe in one of the initial classes, I showed you that or that
Yes,
square dot.
yes, sir.
It
Yes.
indicates that there is a connection. So this is VDD and this is 1K and this is so and so. Now, what is the expression for ID? One of the possible expression, it is suppose if it is in saturation, do you think the MOSFET is in saturation or not? Which equation to use? Shall I use ID sat equation or shall I use ID linear equation? Because
ID sat.
why do you say ID sat is the equation that is to be used in this particular case? Now, how do you guarantee that this is in saturation? Because we know that, okay, while solving, if VDS is equal to VGS, so shall I say MOSFET is in saturation? Is in
Yes.
saturation. Why do I say this is in saturation? Suppose VDS is equal to VGS. Assume that VGS is equal to 0.6 volt. Assume if
Yes, sir.
VTH is equal to 0.4, how much is VDS at? 0.2, no?
0.2. Yes,
See
sir.
here, since gate and drain are shorted, is this is VDS? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Is this is VGS
Yes, sir.
between gate and source? Since this and this point both are same, is VDS is equal to VGS?
Yes, sir.
That's what I'm written. Now, when VDS is equal to VGS, so assume that it is no. When VDS is equal to VGS, does VDS is greater than VGS minus VTH in this case?
Yes, sir.
Now, since VDS is equal to VGS, VDS has to be greater than VDS at. Correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Getting or not getting?
Yes, sir. Getting, sir.
So, sorry. If VDS is equal to VGS, we say MOSFET is always in saturation condition.
That's it.
So I will use this equation. So what is the equation you have?
Half into
Okay, VDS sat half into
kappa
Kp W by
Kp
L
W by L into VGS minus VTH whole square.
VTH whole square. Okay, you are asked to find ID, correct? So this is to
Yes,
be
sir.
found. So do you know this half? You know constant, you know Kp, you know W by L, you know VTH. Do you know VGS?
So that is equal to VDS.
Do you know VDS? Suppose if you write VGS is equal to VDS, do we know VDS? Right, again revolves round. So I don't know VDS, I don't know VGS. Okay, it's a never-ending problem. Now, since VGS is equal to VDS, can I get an expression for VDS from this loop? Can I write this as this as a circuit? This is VDD is equal to 1.8 volt. Can I write it?
Yes, sir.
So now, can I write a KVL for this loop? So can I write VDD is equal to ID into RD plus VDS?
Plus V is, yes, sir.
So from this, can I get VDS expression? What is that?
VDD minus ID into RD.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Now, can I use this VDS value in place of VGS?
Yes, sir.
So I will do it very simple. So it is now, sorry, ID is equal to half Kp W by L. What is VGS? It is VDS. What is VDS? It is
Yes.
this. So it is VDD
VD
minus
minus
ID into
ID
RD
RD
minus VTH whole square.
whole square.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
So now, out of this equation, which all thing you know? I know this, 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 I know this. I don't know ID on both sides. I don't know
Yes,
that.
sir.
Only unknown is ID. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So you have one equation, one unknown can be easily solved. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
But instead of writing an expression for ID using your mathematical background, let us not go for it. Let us use your calculator and use that option of alpha A to find the value of ID. So let me do that for you people. Okay, all of you take the calculator. Let me edit this value as it is. Okay, let me. Can you all see my calci?
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall we start? Okay, what is the unknown parameter?
ID.
ID. So let us put it as alpha A. Alpha equals, correct? Can you see
Yes,
it
sir.
is alpha equals
Yes, sir.
0.5 into 200 exponential minus 6 into how much is WBL? 10 divided by
10,
0.18,
0.8.
correct?
Yes, sir. 0.18.
Multiplied by, open the parenthesis for this parenthesis, you open one more parenthesis. Open one more parenthesis. What is VDD? 1.8
1.8.
minus, you just open one more parenthesis, you just make sure that very clearly into ID. What is ID? Unknown parameter
Alpha.
alpha A
Yeah.
multiplied by what is RD? How much?
1K, sir.
1K. 1 exponential 3. Close the parenthesis. Close the parenthesis. Minus 0.4. Correct? This one minus 0.4.
Yes, sir.
Close the parenthesis. Whole square. Okay, let me start from the beginning. Shravani, you just keep on telling. Okay, what did I type?
Okay, sir. Alpha is equal to
Alpha
0.
A.
Alpha A is equal to
Alpha
0.
equals alpha equals.
Alpha equals
Hmm,
0.5
hmm,
into
hmm,
200
micro.
exponential
Okay, micro.
micro
Okay, into.
into 10 by 0.18
Hmm. You can see the
into
parenthesis opening and closing the parenthesis is so important. Otherwise, you will end up with syntax errors and so on. So I am
okay.
exactly putting the parenthesis exactly this way. Okay, let me rewrite this. ID is equal to half KP. Okay, WBL you put a parenthesis, then double parenthesis, VDD minus, okay, one more parenthesis, ID into RD, close this parenthesis, minus
Yes.
VTH whole square. See here, 1 2 3 1 2 3. So how many numbers you opened, those many should be closed. No, here one open, one
Yes.
closed. So make sure that that is very pakka. Done.
Okay, sir.
You can see I'm just exactly typing the thing what is there in my paper. Can you see
Yes,
there
sir.
two
Yes.
parentheses opened before VDD,
Yes, sir.
and then one more parenthesis opened for alpha A into 1000. You can
Yes,
see
sir.
double closure of parenthesis. You can see there are double closures, minus 0.4, close the parenthesis, whole square.
Whole square.
So no need to write your, of course I know all of you are good in mathematics, so don't try to solve it using your mathematical quadratic equation. Now that's what is easy in your calc. Now let us do uh, shift cal twice.
Yes.
It will take some time. All of you do it. Oh, you can see it is coming as 2
2.
milliampere.
Yes, sir.
How many of you are getting? Okay, does all of you getting 2 milliampere, or is anybody getting any different answer? Chat box, type it. What is the current that you got it, or you tell me. Okay, how many of you got this? I want, okay, all 50 milliampere. Sorry, how how many of you are there? Let me just see how many of you are there with me now. The class I have around 56 students. Great. So I want all 56 answers. Oh, no, it's not nanoampere, madam. Okay, somebody got 0.98 milliampere. Let us see how somebody can get 0.98, which is something different. Come on, make it fast. How much did you get, Shravani?
Sir, 2.2 milliamperes.
2 milliampere. Is there anybody didn't get the answer? So I want that also. Say, sir, I didn't get it. Make it fast. How many of you didn't get it? Because from the chat box, I'm not getting all 56 answers. Is there anybody wants to me to just redo it again? Those are not getting, okay, shall I redo it? One of you, okay, who are not getting, please say, okay, sir, please redo.
So please redo.
Yeah, done. So that's what you need to open up. Okay, now let us start from the beginning. So what are the equation we have? What are the equation we have? This is the equation.
ID is equal.
ID. Okay, ID is unknown, no? ID is unknown.
Yes, sir.
So what I'll do? Okay, Shravani, you start telling me. I'll do it for you. Tell me.
ID is equal to
Okay, ID. How do I type ID? I say.
sir, alpha equals
Alpha A. It's not alpha. It's
alpha
alpha.
A.
Type. Sorry. Click on alpha. Press alpha and then A. Because if you say simply alpha, it doesn't mean anything. It is alpha A. Correct. Now you tell.
Alpha A
Alpha A. Come on.
equals 0.5.
Alpha equals. Now you can see there are two equals. One is this equal. If you press this equal, it will not be correct. You have to press this alpha, and you can see there is a pink color equals.
Yes, sir.
So you need to get that. Suppose, see here, I will do it. Alpha A. If you say equals, it's not correct. It is not this equals. It is alpha equals. Correct? Of course, this is your first problem. I want to spend time with you people so that you can very comfortably do the other examples. Done? Now you tell. So let me just start from the beginning. Tell me. Let me have the equation
Alpha
here.
equals
Yeah, alpha A first.
alpha A.
Alpha A.
Alpha equals
Perfect.
0.5
Okay. Into
2 exponential should I say micro or
say something. I'll do
exponential
it. 200 exponential minus 6 into
into 10 by
say open the parenthesis 10 divided by
open
0.18. Close.
close
Then
open double parenthesis.
perfect. Okay. Before that, let me just put into. Let me put into double parenthesis.
1.8
Perfect.
minus open parenthesis
Perfect.
alpha A
Correct.
1k
into 1000
into 1000.
Okay.
Close double parenthesis.
Perfect.
Minus 0.4 close parenthesis whole square.
Done. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So this is done. Okay, let me do now. Now I need to get that value of alpha. So what I have to do? Shift cal twice. Still I am getting 2 milliampere. Correct. Okay, very few of you got it as 0.98 milliampere. Let us see how did they get as 0.2 milliampere, or this is correct or that is correct. Let us see why we are getting two different answers. Is this clear to all of you now? So those who said redo, is this fine? Those who said redo, so is this okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sonu Bhatt said redo. Okay, Sindhushri, are you okay now?
Sir?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Deepika?
Sir,
Hello.
getting different answers, sir.
Which one?
Sir?
One second. What
Sir,
answer, madam?
Sir, 0.98 milliampere.
That's what. I'll come to that. So we have
Sir,
only
if
two
I get...
answers. One second. I have one answer as 2 milliampere which I'm getting. Some of you are getting 0.98. Let us see why we are getting two answers. Okay, who is talking? Okay, come.
Yeah, Sir Subramania. Sir,
Tell
if I
me.
get 2 milliampere,
Hmm?
ID into RD will
Wait,
be
man. I'll come to that. So we're not going to the problem now. We are actually going to the mathematical part of it. We'll just go to the problem and try to find out, okay, which is correct, which is not correct. Now we are still in the mathematics part of it because we are getting two different answers. We didn't go to the circuit at all. So we're not at all saying that, okay, whether 2 is correct or 0.98 is correct. Now we are first verifying why we are getting two different answers. Correct? Okay, let us find out, okay, why we are getting two different answers. So Shamini,
Sir,
okay, is this a quadratic equation? Can you see there is a quadratic equation? Square is there. Allah. It's a there are when it's a quadratic equation, there are two possible values for ID. Correct?
yes, sir.
Assume that you have x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Will you have two values for x?
Yes, sir.
X can be minus 2, it can be minus 3. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, in this particular case, ID can have two possible values. ID can have two possible values. One of the values 2 milliampere.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So let us find out what is the other possible value. Correct. So let us
Yes, sir.
find out how do we find the other possible value, because some of your friends have got it as 0.98 milliampere. That should also be one of the possible answer, because this is a quadratic equation. One of the value, as myself and most of you got it as 2 milliampere. That is fairly correct. It is one of the root. Other root has to be 0.98 milliampere. So how can I do that is, now you simply press equals. This equals. It is asking for a question mark. No? Can you see there's a question mark?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you type a very less value. It is 1 exponential minus 6. Now in that a question mark, I'm typing 1 exponential minus 6. I will say equals and then shift cal. Let me redo it. Oh, now you're getting the answer. Can you see it is 9.8 into 10 power minus 4?
Yes, sir.
Is it not 0.98 milli?
Yes, sir.
It is. So, as some of your friends have got it as 0.98 milliampere, it is that value. Now, what are the two possible values of ID for this equation?
2 milli
2
2
milliampere
milliampere
and
and 0.98 milliampere.
perfect. So, now when you actually solve this problem, so you are in a dilemma whether to take ID is equal to 0.98 milliampere or 2 milliampere, because ID has got two values. Now, now let us come to one of your friends' argument. Okay, let us see what is this circuit. So, is this clear to all of you, or let me just redo it? Shall I redo it now? Can somebody come to me and then can somebody give me the equation? Whom shall I ask? Okay, 1 second. Sindhushri. Sindhushri. So not Sindhushri. What's your name? Sorry.
Sir, Shravani.
Shavani. You pick one of your friend. Instead of me
Sir.
picking, you pick one of your friend, best friend, or whom you want to trap.
Sir.
Take. Make it fast.
Sir, Deepika said 0.98. So,
You
sir,
pick a student. Forget about all
sir,
those things. Deepika.
Deepika.
Okay, Deepika. Deepika, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you tell me this equation. You tell me this equation.
ID
Alpha
ID
A.
is equal to
I'm not audible.
alpha
Sorry,
A.
you are not audible to me.
Alpha A.
Alpha A, perfect.
Alpha is equal to
Perfect.
0.5
Mm,
into
mm,
200
mm,
exponential minus 6
mm,
into,
mm,
open the parenthesis,
mm. Make it fast.
10 divided by
Hmm.
10 divided by 0.918,
Done.
close the parenthesis,
Hmm.
2,
Hmm.
open the double parenthesis,
Done.
1.8 minus,
Hmm.
open the parenthesis,
Hmm.
alpha A
Perfect.
into 1000,
Done.
close the double parenthesis,
Done.
minus
Hmm.
0.4,
Hmm.
close the parenthesis,
Hmm.
whole square.
Perfect. So shall we? How do I get the answer? How do I get the answer?
Shift cal
Cal
double 2 times.
times. Oh, I'm getting it as 0.98 milliampere in the first go itself. This is what some of you got. This is what some of you got.
Yes.
Now assume that if you want to find the other one, because now you want to get the other root, because I know that this is a quadratic, I want to find both of them so that I can say whether this is correct or that is correct. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So let me get that other root. How do I get the other root? Simply press equals. I pressed equals. Now because I know that the other root may be larger current, I'll put it as 1 equals, then shift cal. Can you see 2 milliampere?
Yes, sir.
You got it as 2 milliampere. The other root is 2 milliampere. How do I get, now you are getting it as 2 milliampere. How do I get, suppose if I do shift cal twice, I'll get only 0.2 milliampere. How do I get 0.98 milliampere now?
Is equal to
Done.
1 exponential minus 6.
1. No, I want to give a lesser value. That's why I'm giving 0.6. Done. Then
Shift cal.
no, again equals. Now shift cal. Shall I repeat? If you are getting some value, say equals some value. Type some value. Then again equals. Then shift cal.
Okay, sir.
Done. Okay, hope the entire class get to know okay, how to use the calculator to find the roots of quadratic equation. In whenever, of course, no need to solve for this at all. Never solve this, because if you start solving this, instead of becoming a AMCD problem, it will become a mathematics problem. Correct? Now the question is whether this is 0.98 milliampere or 2 milliampere, because you are getting both of them. Who is there with me? Deepika.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Okay. Now, now let us come to this circuit. So what does this Deepika, I'm somehow getting the echo. Are you on
Yes,
both
sir.
laptop as well as mobile?
Sir, only
Then,
in mobiles.
then let me wait. Let me mute all of you. I don't know if I'm getting it. Is there anybody unmuted their microphone? Okay, I think now it's fine. If you can see this circuit, just a minute. Wait. Hello.
Sir.
Again, somebody is making mischief. Okay. Why not? Okay, all of you mute your microphones. I'll give you one more chance. All of you mute your microphones. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Again, I'm getting the echo from one of your classmate. One second. Now, Deepika, unmute yourself. Only you.
Yes, sir.
Now it's fine. Eh, okay, now you mute. I'll take some other student. Manu, yes. Deepika, unmute yourself. Manu?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me just share this. Okay, let me share this, and let me share. Just to share. Okay, now both are visible, no? Now the question is, we are getting two answers. One is 0.98, other is 2 milliampere. So which one is correct? So let us try to find out. So how much is the voltage we have for this particular source? How much is the voltage of the voltage source? Hello, Manu.
Yes, sir.
How much is the voltage source?
1.8 volt VDD.
Now you have this connected back here, and then this here. Now it is 1 kilo.
1K.
Of course, this is, suppose if I assume the current, the possible current as 2 milliampere, what will be the drop across this if it is 2 milliampere? If it is 2 milliampere flowing through this, 2 milliampere flowing through this, what may be the drop? 2 into 1k is how much, man?
2 into 1K. 2, sir.
2 volt.
2 volt.
2 milliampere into 1k will be 2 volt.
2 volt.
Does it mean you applied 1.8 volt power supply? Can you able to get 2 volt drop across the resistor? This is highly
No, sir.
impossible. This is highly impossible.
Highly.
So you cannot expect a current of 2 milliampere in this circuit. So the other option is only this. The current can be only 0.8 milliampere. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So the possible answer, or the answer for this particular question is ID is equal to 0.98 milliampere. Correct?
Yes,
Now
sir.
let us go back to LT Spice and then try to simulate and verify the thing. One more thing I want to clarify to all of you, whenever you are using the NMOS, please select NMOS 4. NMOS 4 you have to select. Where is this? NMOS 4. Where is NMOS for this one? Okay, let me select this. Do it here. What you want? You want to have a power supply. So this is power supply. Let me
Sir,
connect.
screen is not visible, sir.
Oh, one second. Let me make it. Share the thing. Done. Now I think
Yes,
now
sir.
it's
Visible.
fine. Let me minimize this. Let me make this more. I need to have a resistor. Done. So I want to connect the things. Let me connect them. Okay, it's done. Done. This. What is the value of the resistor?
1K.
1 kilo. Okay, done. Again F3. You can see gate is connected back to drain. Can you see this dot? This is a dot what we are talking in the while discussing the problem. F3, start from here, go back down, then ground, take a ground, put it here. Where is this? Again connect it this to this. How much is W bell? 0.18
W10.
milli, and this is 10 milli. Make
10
sure that
milli.
it can be milli or micro, but make sure that ratio is 10 by 0.98. So this is 1.8. Am I correct? How
Yes,
much
sir.
is this? This is 1000.
1K.
1000. How about dot model file? Where do I put the dot model file? It is in Spice directives. What is that? Dot model space NMOS space NMOS. Open the parenthesis KP. No, it should be parenthesis. Don't put square bracket. I could able to see some of you are putting square bracket and flower brackets. Simply put parenthesis. KP is equal to 200 U comma VTO is equal to 0.4. Close the parenthesis. Done. I'm done with the model specification. I can do dot op. Oh, this is 200. I made it 220. Let me make it 200. It's done. Okay, then if I go to simulation command dot op is enough to get the currents, no? current through this transistor. Can you see how much the current? See here, Manu.
Yes, sir.
How much is that? Is it 0.98 milliampere?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So this is how you can able to easily find out. Done with all of you.
Yes.
So I think most of you are now comfortable in answering or solving the things using a calculator. Just say yes or no. Just put in your chat box. So could you able to understand how to use a calculator to find a quadratic root? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, I'm just looking at how many of you could able to solve it. Okay, most of you are there. Okay, done. Okay, now why I'm just doing it okay, a detail is because unless you are not thorough with this, it will be difficult. So if you are all thorough, we can proceed. So shall we proceed to next problem? Shall we proceed to next problem, or would you like to see the calculation again? So now, why it is 2 milliampere? I think it is very clear. We just verified that the current is actually 0.98 milliampere. Let me close this. Let us take the next problem. What is your next problem? Okay, now what is this? Oh, this is interesting. See, what is that? 30. Question number 30. Let me take some other student with me. Let me just take out this. Expand. Okay, who will come with me now? Gagana? Gagana, unmute yourself. Yeah. You just read this problem number 30.
In the circuit of figure 6.48, W by L is equal to 20 by 0.18 and lambda is equal to 0.
Take it as 0.
What value of VB places the transistor at the edge of saturation?
Now it is a different question. Now there you are asked to find the value of VB which puts the MOSFET in verge of saturation or edge of saturation. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, okay. Along with you, all of you copy this circuit diagram. I will also do it. Let us solve this problem. This is fine now. We are asked to find the value of sorry, VB. It's totally a different problem. It is 1.8 volt. It is 5 kilo ohm, and this is what, M1, and this is VB, and what is W by L? W by L is 20 divided by 0.18. What you're asked to find? You're asked to find the value of VB. Condition is M1 is at the edge of saturation. Edge of saturation. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. How do we proceed now? Any idea? So far, okay, earlier we were given the VGS was given, some VDD was not given in the first problem. Everything was given, W by L was not given. Now it's a different thing. So you have been given with W by L, RD is given, VDD is given. You are asked to find what is VB. How do we proceed? So again, let us start with the ID expression, because it is asked to find the edge of saturation. Means let us take ID, because we are trying to look at what is this VGS or VB, which will put you in your verge of saturation. This is verge of saturation where the current is almost constant. So what is ID sat?
1 by 2 Kp W by L VGS minus VTH whole square.
Correct?
Yes,
VTH
sir.
or VTO whole square. Correct? Out of this, what all things we know?
We know Kp, W by L, VTH.
That's all we know. We neither know this nor know this. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what can I do? How do we solve this? Shall we open this problem or shall I solve it?
Sir?
Matlab, shall I give it as assignment or shall we solve it?
If you will try it, sir.
Okay.
So we will try.
You try it out and then verify it using simulation, because it's always interesting. I can able to solve it in just only 1 or 2 minutes, but okay, just give some thinking what effort to your mind, so that it can come up with some answer, so that you will feel okay, I can also do it. It's not that difficult. So AMCD is something like this. Now if you are putting effort, it will always very easily come. So now you have only one more equation. The other possible equation is this: VDD is equal to this into this. You know this. You can certainly solve for it. Done? Hello. So I'll just leave it open. Maybe in the next class, I'll see your answers. Maybe or why not? Okay, you people. Of course, if I ask you to upload in the Moodle, all of you will copy and do it. So let me not do that. So maybe today at around 6 o'clock or 5:30, we're going to have a quiz. Is that fine? Quiz, will it be hectic for you people, the quizzes? Who is there with me? Who is there with me? Gagana. Gagana? Gone? Hello, Gagana. What happened?